guys, welcome back to my channel. It's SummSumm, and today I have a product haul, unboxing, and tutorial today using a new line, Audrey'S Artistry, a collection. All of these products you can get a discount. I do have a discount code on all these products. It is SummSumm, so do not forget that. So let's get started into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. This package the other day of some new goodies that came from the A collection. Go ahead and give them a follow on Instagram. I'll link it below right there. And they sent me a bunch of new products that they have dropped from their Fever collection. So I'm gonna show you what's in the box. I'm gonna show you what they sent me. I've already been playing around, but I still want to do this unboxing for you guys so you can see all the good. And I'll be showing you and telling you the product speculations so you can see anything that you may like. Okay, so abriendo la caja, we have the products right here. So the first thing that really caught my eye, like I just showed you guys, is out of this world. I just am so shook by this palette. It is the Fever eyeshadow palette.
I keep it realer than real.
All these products are 100% cruelty free and vegan. And this is the palette I used on my Instagram look that I did with the pink and purple and green and blue and a little bit of lime green. I'm going to put it in here so you can see it. And I use this palette and Ladies and Gentle Babies. This pigmentation of this palette goes crazy. Okay, listen, let's talk. This palette has shimmers, it has mattes, it has foils, and it also has glitter eyeshadows all in one palette with 15 shades. And for this, you won't need any other palette. Like I said, it has good transition shades, it has great lid shades, and great just shades in general. This palette is amazing. The second palette they sent me is the Summer Nights eyeshadow palette. It comes with 9 beautiful shades, and it has matte, shimmers, and neutrals. You know I'm a neutral girl, so this is just everything I've ever wanted. The shades are Humid, Breeze, Rosé, Thunderstorm, Hazy, Festival, Moonlight, Fireflies, and Blazing. Another thing that's super popular because it is the summertime and all the girls like to have really beautiful glowing skin. They also released the Melanin Body Glaze, and it has a spray, a pump. This is a lot. This is 100 milliliters. It's huge. It's non-sticky. It's not greasy or anything, but it does have that beautiful glow that girls like to have when they go to the pool, or you know, wear like strapless tops and just everything great. And also this is the AA Cosmetics Luminous Drops. You know I'm a lover for some luminoso. Everything about this company is you're paying for what you get. You pay for a palette, you get a huge palette. For some luminous drops, you get a good size amount. Last but not least, they also sent over some lip colors. This is the Lip Strobe, which is like their lip glosses, in the shade Blow. This is another lip strobe in the shade Summertime. It's summertime. Ow. This one right here. It's like a brown lip gloss with some glitter in it. I love this packaging because like it matches my nails. Also, look at the nails. Catch up on nails. Get with it. Get with it. Get with it. And then the lids have all this glitter and just so cute. And they also sent me a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Hot Girl. Okay, so you've seen all the products, you've seen me unbox them. Let's play around and see what I can come up with. And I'm going to do an honest review of these beautiful products. So keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on my face. I already have my brows done. I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bakery Instabake Foundation once again. As you guys know, I've been loving her. If you have not seen my past tutorial, I'll link that down below when I review these, test these, wear these bad boys, and you see my honest opinion. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 11. Using the Morphe Glamour Bronze bronzer, of course. Y'all notice my go-to, my OG. Okay, for my highlighter, I am gonna be trying these luminous drops out. These are the shades Sunkissed as well, so let's see how they go. Okay, so those drops are literally like so cute. At first I was thinking they wouldn't give me any glow because they are quite close to my skin tone, but it really gave me a nice like subtle girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Summer Nights palette because I've already played around with the Fever one and had really great quality and good recommendations for that palette, but I do want to get into this palette, and it is the Summer Nights palette, the one that comes with the 9 shadows. Taking the color Breeze and putting it as my transition shade / all over. Now I'm going to be taking Hazy. So I went back to the Fever palette. I'm taking a little bit of this orange and I'm mixing it with the brown. I'm also going to go above that transition just to add some more layer to this. Ooh, I wasn't going to do a cut crease, but I think because of the way the shadow is looking, I'm going to have to. Taking Humid, I'm going to put this on the outer V. Just because I know it's going to darken it up a little bit. Darken it. So now I'm going to be cutting my crease. So I'm taking the orange again from the Fever palette, and I'm taking this Morphe 433 and bringing it to the outer edge of the crease. Y'all notice how I like to do my cut creases because it layers the color and makes it more blended. Okay, after I blend that out and make it all cute and snatchable, I'm going to be taking this brown again. I like how I just went from like, I'm gonna use the summer palette and I'm using the Fever palette. So whatever, just ignore me. And I'm putting it right after the orange right there in that crease and kind of patting, and then sweeping up. Yeah, and that blends that whole thing out. And that's just how you do the perfect cut crease. I taught y'all, you're welcome. What? Zoom in. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Okay, now going back to the Summer Lights palette. Summer Nights, Noche de Verano. I'm going to be taking the shade Rosé just because I love rosé. And this color is really pretty. Putting this all over the lid. Ooh, it's kind of pink, ladies. Look at this. What? Ooh. Wait. OMG. Look at that color. Oh. Ooh. Wow. I'm just like hitting some extra details inside. On the side, just cleaning up a little bit, just with the same colors that I've used, not using any new colors, y'all. Now I'm going back into the Fever palette. I'm going to be taking that orange shade mixed with the brown shade on my lower lash line and connecting it and just blowing it out. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be taking this top or bottom left shade right here in the Fever palette. I literally love doing this with my looks because I feel like it just opens the eyes up. Okay, for my lip liner, I'm going to be taking the Morphe and Orpha Zanali vinyl lip liner just because I know that this will look really good with this lip color I'm going to be using. And then the lip color I am going to be using is the Hot Girl shade, the liquid lipstick. Oh my god, this shade is so pretty, and I just know it'll tie the whole look together. Okay guys, this is my completed look using the AA Collection's new Fever collection. Like I said, all of these productos, I have a discount code. You can use it as SummSumm, so feel free to use that code. I'm just going to give you a little look at the bee, look at the bee, look at the bee. I'm going to be tagging all of the products below, as well as the names of all the products. All the tools, the brushes, all of that is going to be tagged in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a blast getting glam, and I hope you liked this video. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Okay. Love you. Bye.